I'm now.
Oh.
I'm gonna blast him. Dude, Listen, be cool. Be cool.
One.
You better be cool, cause
What's going on here?
you better be cool.
Hey, Ant. Alright, let him up.
Be cool, Anthony.
You good? Where's the pipe go? Ant, where's your pipe at? You don't know? You alright? It's cool. It's too bad that shit was out in the fucking concrete. If it was in the grass, it didn't sound too good from out over there.